That's good. Oh, check out this new video I found. Pretty funny, huh?
The unlikely hero, it was a cat who caught the burglar on the loose, reversing his car at a high speed into the flailing robber.